Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
So guys, Popeye, we are so lucky because Amelia's upstairs taking a nap, which means we get to have a little bit of fun. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We had a lot of fun yesterday with that little truck in the park, but Popeye missed out on the good fun. So today, because dogs aren't allowed in that park, today we're going to fly something that's actually been pretty highly requested on our channel. It's been out for a little while, but supply and demand, it's kind of hard to get a hold of one of these. Well, we finally had one on back order. Got our hands on one, and if you don't have one of these, I'm probably going to go ahead and recommend you put one on back order. This is a really good little setup. This isn't just a little mini whoop micro drone like we've been flying on the channel. This one is 5.8 gigahertz ready to fly. So you've already got that little camera, your 5.8 gigahertz video transmission and antenna and stuff already installed. Comes with a dedicated transmitter. This is one that takes a little bit of skill to fly. They've even extended the little thumbsticks to give you a little more control over the drone. I mean, that's it. It's plain and simple. It's a mini whoop style ready to fly setup, and you can get these goggles optionally. Now, when I saw these online, I thought they looked a little small, but I wasn't really sure. I had to see them in my hands so I could tell you guys. That's why I opted for the goggle version. They're some of the smallest goggles I've ever seen. They definitely don't work over my glasses. If I take my glasses off, it's still a very small fit, and I had a couple friends try these on too, and they're just small. Even for some kids, they're small. I don't know why they opted for this size of goggle.
So it fits in the box.
It fits in the box, that's right. Can you tell how tiny it is? There's a mini whoop, there's that. Now let me show you, compared to some real goggles, these are my Quantum Cyclops goggles. These actually fit over my glasses very comfortably and much smaller. So you can see there's about a $20 to $25 price difference to get the goggles if you want to get this whole setup, and I'm going to just go out and tell you before we even fly this, it's probably worth just paying $40, which is an amazing price, for the transmitter, the drone with the FPV setup, the camera and the transmitter, video transmitter, and then you get a little flight battery and a rechargeable battery. That's my recommendation, but I've heard so many good things about this. I just want to fly it, have a little fun. We're going to do some FPV action and confirm with you guys whether or not this is worth your hard-earned money.
Good question.
Yeah.
Why does the box say Small Pepper?
Now they just nicknamed it, and I like that.
Small Pepper?
Yeah, I really like that. You know, Horizon Hobby, Hobbyco, these bigger, more successful companies that have been around a while, they name all their things. You know, they name all their drones, and remember the Rise Fusion 2, like they have cool names. It makes it easier to remember. Eachine E013 is kind of hard to remember. But Small Pepper, that's pretty cool. So I like that, I really do. I think that's cool. I just want to fly this. I want to have some fun and show you guys this in action. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. Like I said, before you even watch this flight, if I were you and you're even remotely into this stuff, for 40 bucks, I would totally just go ahead and put one on pre-order, back order, I mean.
But let's see if it's any good.
Yes, just give us a few minutes. Let's fly this first. There's Popeye. I will say, these little goggles are crystal clear. They might even look better than my big, expensive goggles. It looks really good. I see no static or anything, so I want to leave that there, just maybe test that out again. But while we're doing, I'm going to fly with my goggles, just auto scan to get to the channel here.
We're recording with my Fat Sharks.
Yes.
They're Attitude V4s.
And I should add that those little goggles that are included are rechargeable. So although the thing is really small, it's coming in really good. Okay, this video quality looks great. You ready, Abby?
Mm-hmm. Popeye? No.
It's okay, buddy. Alright, let's actually cruise around a little bit. Don't worry about chasing it so much, Abby.
I'm filming you.
Yeah, this is really nice. Very easy to control with the drone back there. Putting up our Christmas decorations. This is
Look
really
at our
good.
laundry!
Oh
Gosh, don't do that.
Okay, we'll come back. We're behind on laundry.
We're always behind on laundry.
This is nice.
Oh my god!
New little truck back there. All kinds of tour stuff for everyone. Oh no! How are we gonna? Okay. I'm upside down and I don't have throttle anymore, so that's interesting.
No, Popeye.
So when I went upside down, it didn't let me throttle at all. And I have it back now, so that's cool. You ready?
Yep.
Popeye, it's okay, dude. It's okay. It's okay. This is nice, Abby. This is a really nice little drone. I'll be holding on to this. Let's see if I can pull off. There should be some flips going on here. You ready? I'm going to try to do a flip if we're able to. Yeah, cool. Okay, this is a very good little mini whoop style. Wow. Very impressed with its performance. We should have rates up top left. Yep. So we can go a little faster now. Ooh. Definitely got some good control. I like this. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, you almost hit yourself.
Yeah. And even a third rate, so let's see how fast we can. Oh my gosh. Nope, not a fan of that. That was too fast. Cool though. Wow. They have nailed it. Can you believe you can get this for 40 bucks without those goggles?
Pretty wild.
I wish you were flying this because it's really nice. See if we can go upstairs a little bit. See how it looks in the dark.
Yeah, no lights around upstairs.
I hope your fat sharks are doing okay.
I get a couple static
Look at that,
pops.
complete darkness.
Yeah.
That is cool. There's the YouTube 100K YouTube sign, plaque, whatever.
We need a
Silver
sign.
flavor.
We need a sign for right there, like
Okay.
custom RC sign.
Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so I have the occasional little static pop too. What I want to do is go down the hallway, or maybe I'll just land on the piano there because that's a nice big landing spot. I want to see how these other goggles are looking because I didn't even, I'll be honest with you, I didn't even bother charging them because I thought these things look too tiny, but those are nice. That's a really nice display in there. I really like that.
I thought I saw a little pop.
Yeah, little
static,
pops.
yeah.
Little pops here and there. But that's 5.8 gigahertz. You have that. It's an analog signal instead of digital. So this is sweet. I'm really glad we finally got one of these. Okay, let's keep flying until that battery runs out. Because I'm pretty happy with the flight time right now too. Oh, that was my stupid fault.
I was just running around everywhere.
It's chasing me down.
Yeah.
This is fun, Abby. We need to put another one of these on back order so
Yeah.
you can have one too, because this thing is just the sticks for a small controller. They feel really good. Guys, if you want to up your micro FPV game, this is it. I'm excited to take on Foamy Ninja now.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, I hear the kiddo.
Popeye is what wakes her up every time.
I hear her.
He's barking.
That's okay. Let's just run this
Maybe
battery
if
down.
you... Actually, your light's
Oh, there it is.
blinking.
That's it.
Yeah.
Simple.
I think every video from now on is going to end with her crying.
Probably, for a while. Very simple. I said it during the video, I said it before the video. This is a must-have. You need to add this to your collection. It flies so well. I think Popeye got it. Yeah, he's down there checking it out. He brought his toy over. A must-have. I confirmed it with the flight. I'm keeping this. This is very, very cool. If you guys appreciate what we do and you want to support us, what's he crunching? Did he crunch the drone? We'll have this linked in the description box below. You guys definitely need one of these. As bad as a million needs a bottle right now. Yeah? That was good, huh? Yeah. Bad jokes are bad jokes. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Everyone just unsubscribed.